The truth.
Hey y'all, so I am off schedule right now. I'm supposed to be doing some YouTube videos, not YouTube videos. Well, I'm supposed to do one YouTube video, really quick short one, as well as a like some Instagram, YouTube shorts that I wanted to do. But you know, I'm about to get ready, I'm about to shower, do like a quick little face, nothing major. But I was looking in the mirror, right? Now I don't know. Let me pull up my drawers a little bit. I don't know. Silhouette. But okay, so this is loose. This is me, a little tighter. Do y'all see the definition? Or am I tripping? Sorry for the echo. Let me give y'all the front. SLW. SLW. He lunga shaya la. Eske. Not Dini, not Uribe. Make you want to sing. Eske ujam. Eske up kembe. Eske ujam. Eske up kembe. Eske nujam. Eske up kembe. Not kembe. Eske nujam. Alright, let me stop for God. Be like, you do it too much, girl. So, I probably hear from a little belt ringing in the background. I just want to come show y'all that. I can't stay long because I got to do stuff, so I'll talk to y'all later. I'll come tell you about my life. Come tell you about what I'm doing later. I'm about to do my little face routine, put my contacts in, do a quick deep face. I don't know if I'm actually going to record that. I just pop back on. Say here's the face. Without being deep, more of like a natural, soft glam situation that I shall be doing. So yeah. So I'm gonna just quickly do the rest of my face routine because I brushed my teeth with this. Oh, I look like Are you like automatic? I don't fuck up. Look at the hate. Child, I don't know. I don't know why the lights was hating on your girl. But I forgot to bring my doggone moisturizer. I guess the hydrate said I'm enough today. I'm just gonna put on my PCA. Sunscreen, wear your sunscreen. Black need a little bit of help too. You don't know what tribe you from. Okay? So, because some tribes in Africa cover themselves in paint, cover themselves in mud, cover themselves in whatever they need to cover themselves, shea butter, to help protect themselves from the sun. You know, so find what works for you. Okay? Some black people, they tribe didn't need it. Okay? In other tribes, they did. So I'm gonna put this sunscreen on. Helps, especially if you have hyperpigmentation, whatever it is you're going. Even if you don't have hyperpigmentation, even if you already have porcelain skin, preserve thine porcelain skin. It don't gotta be this one. I do enjoy this one. You just gotta make sure you actually smooth it in, because sometimes I don't smooth it in enough. You wanna make sure it's really smoothed in to make it not have that ashy Casper the Ghost casket ready vibe. Alright, alright. Drip on me. Motherland, motherland, drip on me. So this is the look, real quick. Put the makeup on, put the face on. A couple of, actually I've kind of been done for like an hour. But I had to stop and eat. The main looks lovely today. And look nice. I don't know why this is refusing to be straight right now. The main does what the main wants to do. The hair. The glory. Motherland, motherland, drip on me. Know her history. Show you how the back, but the length is given. Motherland, motherland, drip on me. Fix my belt. You know your history. Motherland, drip on me. There's some lashes on. So I don't know if I want to wear. I don't know if I want to wear my hair down. It actually feels like pretty moisturized. I'll drop a moisture routine soon. Or if I want to do like a little pony action. A little low pony. Now that I got the length to be doing little ponies, you feel me? You just want to gently gather the dying edges, you know? So what's it giving you guys with this outfit? Little pony with a little bang, with a bang, the bang, the bang, the bang, with a bang. Or should I just do it down? I will see y'all later. I don't keep the ponytail. I think it looks a little more sporty. And plus, child, oh, I haven't got the bagamunio. And plus, it's hot outside. So this would probably be best. You know, I ain't got no earrings. But it is what it is. I'll see y'all later. I just wanted to show y'all what it was given, how I'm living, how I remember used to love me, baby. Bye. Good morning, good day, whatever is appropriate to say. We're going on a trip. my favorite rocket ship, to get my hair done. So yes, it is September, which means it's been 2 years and 5 months. So 2.5 months. No, 2 years, 2.5 years. Well, 2.5 years. Going to get the crochet maintenance. She moved. I thought she was right around the corner. Well, not right around the corner. I thought she was like 20-30 minutes away. No, she's an hour away now. So because I never memorized how to get to her place, and thank God I didn't, because I wouldn't even try to check the damn email to notice that she changed locations, because I did not pay attention to that part the first time when I got my appointment confirmation. So that was my bad, and thank God I'm not that great with directions, because I would have surely shuffled my way over to Coconut Creek when I'm really supposed to be in Delray. You see, if you're from South Florida, you know that would not have been good. So I'm barely going to make it. I was trying to give you a little texture shot of my chevet before I get it the crochet maintenance, because that's been doing me well, and I'm a creature of habit. If I like it, I'm gonna stick with it. You know, I'm not all about changing and trying new things for the sake of trying new things, especially if that new thing's expensive. You feel me? Alright, I'm driving, so bye. Try to do one quick texture shot for y'all. Oh yeah. I don't need all this. Wait. I need to bring my pillow though. You can try to get by, okay? But you can't, because you're trapped. Granted, I ain't got traps. You see what we doing? Showing all types of reasons to show my arms off, you feel me? We're proud of ourselves over here. We moving and grooving. Yes, girlies. Tina Turner. Hey, Angela. Hey, Angela, girl. Are my arms starting to look like you, girl? You inspiration, girl. Or ma'am. I'm sorry. Have a good day.